Hello YouTube. This is, I believe it's a Hampton Bay Glendale. I don't know if these are the original blades to it. I think they were originally white, and I'm not quite sure about the light kit either, but it's a 42 inch. The story behind this ceiling fan is, well, I had to fix the blades because one of them was bent and it wobbled like crazy. So I had to fix it, and now it doesn't wobble as much. I mean, I still need to make a few more adjustments to it, but it's fine for now. Let's start her up on high. It wobbles a little bit, but not as bad as it used to. And that's just the door, the air. For some reason, like if you put it in reverse, it like push the switch up all the way. It does not go in reverse. It just makes a humming noise. But like if you push it halfway up, it'll go in reverse. I don't know if there's a short in the switch or some whatever, but it's kind of weird. Medium. Yeah, I don't think these are the original blades to it. I thought the original blades would match the finish of the fan itself. I don't think these are the original blades. The original blades were probably white with the housing and the switch housing, but I'm not 100% sure. This is kind of one of those mystery fans that I know nothing about other than what it is. That's low. It blows a pretty good amount of air. It's a good ceiling fan. I just wish I knew more about this model. Well, I hope everyone has a good day. Peace.